Hello guys, here is the final update on the Revell Boeing P-26A Peashooter. As you can see, I have the decals on, so grab it. You can see most of the decals are standard Army Air Corps, the national emblems and the tail stripes, and US Army on the bottom. These are identification numbers. This is the no, you're not gonna squadron patch. It's a kicking donkey, I think. That's what it looks like to me. And here's looks like 95th Pursuit Squadron stripes. Some sort of weird thing they came up with. Flames on the tail, and 62 again. Probably its aircraft number. The instructions don't tell me who flew this, so that's a mystery. Here's the box artwork, which is very nice. So that's the information. If we look at, see, it's a very simple assembly. The interior is painted silver. And as you can see, here is the sort of paint guide. It is Boeing P-26A Peashooter of 95th Pursuit Squadron, 17th Pursuit Group, US Army Air Corps, Marchfield, California, USA, 1934. These planes were phased out in 1941. Last plane saw service in Hawaii and the Philippines just before it was overrun. I had problems with the decals because it was very, they were very sort of tricky, especially these long ones. Long decals are difficult. And here is a Hamilton propeller. You can see by the insignia. These squadron markings, I can't actually believe I did it, but I sort of painted a square in this light blue colour, then stuck the decals on, and then sort of painted around them in dark blue again to tidy it up. And I'm amazed how well it came out. Really am amazed. Yellow, that took me forever. That's about 3 coats worth of yellow paint, I think. And here again is the sort of silver interior. This doesn't come with the instrument panel at all, which it's not really a problem. As you can see, you can't really see in there, so that's not too much of an issue. From the tail. If you're wondering why this aerial is wonky, it's because I broke it in half when I was assembling it, so I had to glue it back together. So, straighten out a little bit more. The engine, which would have been if I look at the data, engine was a Pratt & Whitney R1340-27, which I believe, if I'm right, the B-17 had. So it's a very simple model. It's a very quick model. Can be a bit tricky. This, if you wonder what these splodges are behind the exhaust, that's my idea of weathering from the leaded petrol. So I guess that's it for this, and I guess this is a review as well, so I'll introduce my next project, and don't fear, the Devastator is sort of slowly coming together. That's going to just be a rolling update one. These are just going to be quick hits, effectively. And yeah, Fokker E3 monoplane. This one I believe is flown by Ernst Udet. So more updates on that will come. So I've enjoyed this kit, and there'll be more to come later, so bye for now.